digitize government services. As is expected, there is a lot of resistance. Initially, we had something like, I think, 3,000 pay bills, you know. Now we have reduced the 3,000 pay bills to one, so that we can have sight of government revenue. You may have heard the latest about school fees in Kenya, or money that is paid by parents. And some of the monies paid by parents, for example, in boarding schools, because we provide resources for learning in all our primary schools and secondary schools. What parents pay is boarding fees and maybe lunch. We are insisting because we realize that there are illegal levies charged by boards of management of schools that go into accounts that nobody knows. We expect to tap into expertise, like what the Prime Cabinet Secretary was saying here, of Kenyans living abroad who are experts and professionals in that space, for them to work with us to see how we can secure our data. Geoffrey, you're listening? Yeah, how we can secure our data and how we can work together to make sure that services provided by the government of Kenya are seamless and uninterrupted.